Today we're taking a look at Sandbox's native coin Sand, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Sand go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the Sand chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Sand or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But as many coins we've covered today, Sand as well is not looking too great. We've broken downwards from that triangle pattern we had seen form there. So I'm going to remove that because that is, I suppose, our key breaking point. We are, I suppose, broken below as well our overall uptrend that we had been seeing from roughly about here on the 18th of November. That has been broken as well, and it looks like what's in place now is unfortunately a little bit of a different trend. So let's get rid of all the lines that don't really matter. This one, it's gone. The trend is unfortunately broken, so we'll get rid of that one as well. This top line from the triangle is still in play, and I'd suggest that what we're seeing now is a bit of a channel forming between that line and this new line that we've got in place here. That is our downtrending channel. Where's that channel basically moving to? Well, it's moving to our next point of support. So as we start to move down this line, you can see that roughly right about where we are at the moment is our key point of support. And that is roughly at $4.74, $4.75. You can see that in the past, this has been a point for, I suppose, resistance, bit of a bounce off it as well previously. In this period over here, bouncing off it as support, and we've just recently as well bounced off it here again. So what I'm going to do is actually extend this line out a little bit more so you can get a good grasp, and you can see this channel as it starts to, move down. What we're going to see by this stage, the 12th of January, is either a break upwards or a break downwards. Now this is bearish pattern, guys, and we're about to see the 20-day moving average cross below the 50-day. So unfortunately today's not good news. I really do think what we're seeing at the moment is a move to continue in a downwards manner. So if that does occur, let's just put in another key point of support. Where will we be dipping down to? Well, I'd suggest we'd be dipping, I'd say probably you'd go roughly over here, I'd suggest. Yeah, that'd probably be the point. $3.62. Let's extend that line out there. That will be the mark that will be dropping down to. The price is already below the 20 and 50-day moving averages. 20 days about to cross below the 50. So all in all, not looking too good. I'd suggest as well, if we do look at the MACD as well, we have seen that cross of the 12-day EMA below the 26-day EMA, signaling that we are moving in a downwards fashion. This red period just looks like it's kicking off. If we take a look at other red periods, they are relatively the same. So yes, I do really think that in today's video, the price target is $3.65. We're going to be moving in that sort of manner down to that point. The last one I want to look at, the RSI, and I think this will be the only one which is a bit more positive, I suppose. 40.22, it's been moving downwards since the 26th of December where it was at 64.62. Reason for this is because it's been consistent selling occurring. So all in all, not surprising there. We have been moving downwards. It's the only indicator showing that we're moving, I suppose, towards the oversold range. I don't expect we will get to the oversold range. I think we'll see a reversal by then. But until that point, I do think we will see, unfortunately, a breach right here of our key point of support at $4.70, moving all the way down here to the $3.65 mark. That wraps up our analysis on Sand today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. And of course, if you did enjoy today's video, leave a thumbs up. And for more of this type of content, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.